Hello, I'm Dr. KP Williams, and I'm one of the faculty members in the Leadership Studies program. On behalf of all of us, I'd like to say congratulations on your acceptance to Iowa State and your choice to join us in the fall. We know you're making lots of decisions about what to study and how to make the most of your college experience, so I want to invite you to consider enrolling in the Leadership Studies minor or certificate. Students in our program come from many majors and from all of the colleges across campus. And whether you've had lots of past leadership experiences or are just now starting to figure out what your leadership journey would look like, we have opportunities for you. Specifically, I want you to consider Leadership Studies 270, our campus leadership development class, which is great for emerging leaders. In this class, not only will you learn exemplary leadership practices, you'll be part of the Leadership ISU learning community. This means you have built-in peer mentor support and opportunities to get involved on campus. Students who take this class tell us all the time how much they enjoy building community and getting involved, and that's why you should consider taking it as well. We hope you'll consider joining the Leadership Studies program, and we look forward to meeting you in the fall.